Hi everyone. I just wanted to talk about, the removal of my baby. So she had been in the system so during this whole process, she had been in the system for 4.5 years. Now um, I had contacted multiple lawyers, and I'd also reached out to, um, hi guys. So tonight I'm going to continue talking about, the stuff around when my baby was removed. So the discovery of no court orders, and I will talk about how that became a part. So I had reached out. I had went and sought legal advice through South Australia, and I also reached out to young people commissioner as well, and I got no response back from that organisation at the time. I had left a message there with the reception at the time, so with April Laurie Smith there. So that was back in 2021. So I was in fighter mode. I was in protective mode. How can this be possible? That, like, literally, as I was reading the legislation and the Child Protection Act, they were literally treating me like as if I caused this child so much destruction. At this stage, I had turned my attention. Once I discovered that she didn't have any court orders, I turned my attention to be able to get her out of the system. And that was a long, daunting process in its own. So I had tried to, I felt like I exhausted every inch and every ounce of my human being, to be able to try and get some legal advice around this stuff. And because the approach that I was taking was, because she was under GOM, because she was a child under we thought that she was under the Child Protection the Child Protection Act here. Just let me look at my papers here for a sec. Let me just refresh. So we thought that she was a so I haven't got a letter. Yeah, right. So we thought that she was under the guardianship of the minister. So, but here it turned to the guardianship of the CE. So I couldn't understand, how can a child sit in the system for 4.5 years with no court orders, no legal documentation to actually keep her inside the court system, tied to a child protection, because we were never told. So that was my approach. So my approach had changed to being in this state of mind to, I need to get this child out of the system, because I couldn't understand how come they had a right to be able to do this to me, considering that this guy had been with this person for 3.5 years. She worked with the Department of Child Protection, and nothing was ever done in that period of time when they were together. So why was I being victimized and targeted and used as a pawn to be able to create a criminal case against this person? With the stuff that they identified, if they knew that then why haven't this person